Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to use Capcut with AI technology. So before I do that, I will suggest you to update your Capcut into the newest version in 2024. Just go into your app library and just update your Capcut now. And now let's jump into the tutorial. So to edit your video with the AI technology on a Capcut, just open your Capcut application, and after you update it, there will be like one features pop up here, which is the create with AI, and there will be three options that you can use. Either you want to do these trending videos that containing a lot of templates from the TikTok application. You can also do with the product photos as well as the poster. You even can create a poster on a Capcut. So here I think I would like to use with trending videos, and in this part there will be like a lot of templates that you can use to edit your video. And one of the most popular features or templates that use the AI technology is this. You can do it the couple, or you can also do it the single part, and then you just need to go click it and then go click use template. And now you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit, and after that you just need to go click next and let the AI technology run. So that's the way how to use AI technology on a Capcut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.